In Malolos City in Bulacan, Executive Secretary Paquito Ochoa Jr. urged the preservation of the country's colorful history in its quest for freedom. Ochoa was the guest of honor and speaker during the commemoration of the 115th anniversary of the Declaration of the Philippine Independence at the patio of the historic Baraswain Church. He urged the Filipino people not to forget the advocacy and legacy of Filipino revolutionaries that pushed the quest for Philippine freedom in 1892. Christine Santos reports.
The 115th Philippine Independence Day was also celebrated at the historic church in Malolos, Bulacan, where Executive Secretary Paquito Ochoa was guest. At exactly 7:56 in the morning, the flag was raised, which was followed by wreath laying on General Emilio Aguinaldo's monument. At exactly 7:56 in the morning, the flag was raised, which was followed by wreath laying on General Emilio Aguinaldo's monument. Through a 21-gun salute, Aguinaldo and the makers of the Malolos Constitution's heroism was honored. The Baraswain Church served as a witness and symbol of independence, as this was used as a meeting place of the members of Congreso Revolucionario headed by Pedro Paterno, and when the very first Philippine Constitution was made and signed after the 333 years of Spanish colonization. Ochoa noted the importance of the country's independence should never be forgotten, as the fight for human, education, and health rights continues up to this day. The Executive Secretary urged the public to further study the Philippine history for a deeper knowledge on how Filipinos acquired the true heroic blood. He reiterated errors made by the past administration must be corrected by the present government.
Saan ang sulok ng ating mahal na bayang Pilipinas? Ang araw na ito ay pag-iit ng ating bayan sa buong na noon pa man ay ibig na natin maging malaya at mamuhay ng nagsasarili bilang isang tunay na malayang bansa. Hindi natin dapat limutin at ninuman ang nagpapatuloy pang kabayanihan ng ating lahi. Mga kabataang lumaban at patuloy na lumalaban sa katarungang bayan, kaayusang panlipunan at paglaban sa katiwalian, korupsyon at pangapi, isama na ang kamangmangan at kahirapan. Silang mga di mabilang na bayani ng bagong panahon ang dahilan upang mahaplos ang diwat damdamin ng milyong-milyong Pilipino na nakibaka sa EDSA noong 1986. Bawat henerasyon ay may kanya-kanyang taya para sa bayan. Ngunit hindi natin kailangan dumanas ng revolusyon o digmaan para lang may lumitaw ng mga bayani. Ang pagpapanatili ng kalayaan na may dignidad sa ating bayan sa pamamagitan ng pag-angat ng antas ng kabuhayan, edukasyon, kalusugan, kaunlaran at kaayusang panlipunan ay mga dakilang ambag nating mga Pilipino upang bayani tayo sa ating napiling kaparaanan.
For People's Television, this is Christine Santos.